Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel What is MrRoy. Exercise 1.3 sets. We are having three options for the Venn diagram: number one, number two, and number three. This is most important exercise to understand the Venn diagram, like when we have two sets here, A and B, and this is also A and B, and this is A and the small one is B. We are not sure which Venn diagram we are going to use in our particular question. So I will be explaining like in 1.3, exercise 1.3. For example, here I want to read this question, exercise 1.3, question number one. There are 100 undergraduates, like we are having altogether 100. So it means the total universal set, the number of universal sets are 100. On the use of pagers and the headphones are follow like 86 use pagers. So it means if I consider this part and this part as pager and headset headphone. So 52 uses headphones and 10 do not use any of the product like P and H are. Okay, was one more thing here. As I know, because this topic I'm going to discuss at least and at most, so I will be explaining this when we have this type of question. But in this, we have this question actually because is here given here that both the products use both the products means we have something here. So before starting this question, I would like to explain that and when we have this word of and the word of or. And means I'm talking about the common part. Common means intersection. And or means I'm talking all the parts. And this is union. So remember this part before starting this topic. So the universal set or total are 100 we have. And the pager, okay. This total set of P means this is the total like the people or the undergraduates who use pager is the whole area. When I'm talking about only this area 1, area 2, area 3, and area 4. First of all, this is very important to understand. The 1 means this is called the only, most important part, only pager. 3 means only, I'm just want to say only. This is only headphones. And 2 means pager because the common area, so we use and. Pager and headphone, and the four means like who do not use any of the not the pagers and not the headphones, or we can say not involved. Okay, so now I just want to once again set the because one thing to understand which area is like for the working. So P and H are two sets like P and H we have made it who use pagers and headphones respectively expressed in set notation. Okay, I'm going to write in the set notation like undergraduate who use both products. So both means like we can say pager and headphones. So what I will write for the first part, part A, that we have to write X is the member that we can say both means we can write P and means I have told you and means common and H. We can say like this was the answer we can check here. Like you can see P intersection H, the first part. P intersection H means we are talking about, or you can only write this one is okay. Both are clear. Second is here given that X is undergraduates who use both the products means This is very important part. So both means I'm talking about this one. So it means I will write X here. This is the most important part. We have to be careful here. X is here because use the both the like products. We have to draw the Venn diagram to find X. Okay. What about this one? Like we have first the 52 uses the head, 86 uses the pagers. So it means 82 means we are talking about the complete set. This complete set. So if 86 are uses the like use the pager and 52 use the headphones, 52 use the headphone. So it means this total area is 52. But when x is given here, I have to write here not 86. I will write 86 minus x. Because this is only, I have to minus this area. Because when I write only 86, it means 86 plus x is the pager area. So be careful. So always write this common area should be minus here. And same thing is here. Like headphone 52 minus x. When it's given here like 52, only 52, then it's okay. And what about this area? 10 do not use any of the birds. So I will write 10 outside. This is very important part to like we write the numbers in the sets. Then there is no problem because when you add all the areas, we have four areas, 86 minus x plus x. This is 86 minus x plus x plus 52 minus x plus 10. When we add all the areas, individually the result is coming 100 is given in the question 100. Okay, 86 plus this x and this x cancel out. We have only 52 minus x plus 10 is equals to 100. Now this is our working now. Like how we can work, this is coming, we can write 8 and it's still 13 and this is coming 148 minus x equals to 100. And when you want to find x on right hand side 100 is here, is coming 48. So it means there are 48 like undergraduates who use only like both pager and headphones. We can see the answer is coming 48. Answer is right. So this was question number one. So in question number two, we have in a certain class there are 30 pupils. Okay, it means the total we have about 30. The university said the number of like total members are 30, and took an examination paper English and Chinese. So what we need to like sets here. And first of all, we should read. Given that X people pass both the paper, like both means we are having something common. So this is very important here to write. That's the common means I have to draw this shape. So when something is common, so X that pass both the papers, so X is here. This is only area, only English. This is only Chinese, and this is not English or Chinese, and we're talking about the pass. Like who passed the exam. This is pass 22 and 18 who passed the exam. Okay, let's see. And we failed both the paper. 3 should be here because they are like they did not pass the paper. Or this is 22. 22 is total English, so I will write 22 minus x. And this I will write 18 minus x. This is very important part like in sets to draw the Venn diagram and to write all the members. So 22 minus x, this area, plus x and plus 18 minus x and plus 3 is equals to 30 is given here. Now is very simple. You can do the calculation. 22 plus 18 is 40 is 43 minus x is equals to 30. 30 shift here, x on right hand side, so x is coming 13 and we have done it. So this is a like question number 3. I want to check the answer is coming 13 is right. So, next question is question number 3. Now, this is like we are having not two sets, we are having three sets now. So, Before this, I would like to explain something about these three sets. Okay, so first of all, I would like to take the example from here, E, P, and C. I will write here, this is E. E is, sorry, this is F, fish, is here. Fish, pork, and chicken. Like in the survey, we are having who like fish. This is pork. This is chicken area. This total is fish. Total is pork. And total is chicken. Using the letter P, F, P, we have already done X to represent set members. Write down the expression for the following. Okay, right. X is a member of, like I have already told you, and means intersection and or means union. This is very important. Okay. So X is a member of the set like students who like fish and pork. Fish and pork means and means we're talking about intersection. And then we have one more thing here, or. And then we have again fish, fish and chicken. So it means when we're talking about this part, fish or pork, so fish or means union. Oh, sorry, it's N. Fish and pork means intersection. Or means definitely I have to write or means union. And fish and chicken means fish, intersection, chicken. And this is the right answer of the first part. Or you can write X is a member of like here. So it's okay. You can also write like this. Part two. Okay, let's check the answer of this part. Yes, this is yes, 100% right. We have done it. The A part one. Then the second part, X is a member of the set notation who like fish and pork only. So this was like your, this is the only fish part. This is only pork part. This is only chicken part. When they write this only, they like here, this word is very important. Fish and pork only. So this means fish and pork means I have to write fish and pork. I will use this area only, not everything, because it's very like this is X because only this area means this fish and pork only. This area is pork and chicken only. This area is fish and chicken only. And when you're talking about chicken only, then this area. So this is where, and this area is like at least like they like fish, pork, and chicken. This is the complete like all three areas. So X is a member of the set of the students who like fish and pork only. So this is X, right? By shading the Venn diagram, the region X could lie in it. So this is the area, I think so. Let me check the answer of this part. Uh, I think so. The answer is not given here. Oh, this is the part. Answer is here. I think so. The yes, this is the right answer. Okay, and if they, this is the second part actually. If you want to give the answer like the, because given the set rotation, sorry, so I have to shade also like for both the figure. Okay, first of all, this is okay for second part. This is 100% clear. Like we can also write in the set like this is the first part answer and this is second part. So if you want to write the answer of the first part, shading part, let's see. What I will do, first of all, I will F intersection P. F intersection P means this area and this area. Then F intersection C means I'm talking about this area and this area. And union means, uh, sorry, fish and fish and chicken means fish and chicken means this area and this area. And when we have union, it means we have to shade everything. remember, like we have to shade everything. So, and I have discussed with you, like this question was actually we had to draw the Venn diagram at the end. So just manage yourself, please. Question number, like part B of the same question. Uh, there are 32 people in a class. Okay, we have already altogether 32. One of these 22 study history and geography, and okay, we have just two sets, so it means we have to draw this diagram. And let me check, do we have to draw, like, do we have something common? Yes, let me check. Uh, is given by drawing a Venn diagram, find the number of students who study both history and geography. Or it means we have to draw definitely the shape, definitely the shape when we have something common. Okay, so it means like there are 32 people altogether, students are there, and this is history. History is about 22. 22 means this and this both combined is 22. And the geography students are altogether 19. And five study neither history or geography means five should be outside. And we have to find who study, okay, both x. So this will be 22 minus x, and this will be 19 minus x. So now when we add 22 minus x plus this x, then plus 19 minus x and plus 5, altogether there are 32 students. Now you can find the x cancel out, 22 plus, then you can write is coming 41 and 46, minus x is equals to 32, and x is equals to 46 minus 32, and the answer is coming 1 4 is 14. Let me check the answer of this part. Yes, it's right, 14. Part B, question 3, part B.